let's find the vertical asymptote, horizontal asymptote, and zeros of this function x squared minus x minus 6 divided by x. First, vertical asymptotes. Those happen when you have an illegal divide by zero error. Now notice if x is 0, if x is 0, you have an illegal divide by 0. So on your graph, right at x is 0, you have your vertical asymptote. Next, your horizontal asymptote. You have 3 rules. First rule says, if the degree of the numerator is bigger than the degree of the denominator, you have no horizontal asymptote. If the degree of the numerator is smaller than the degree of the denominator, your horizontal asymptote is y equals 0. Lastly, if the degree is the same, these are both y cubes, then you take the coefficients, and 4 divided by 2 would be your horizontal asymptote. So here, let's look at the degrees. Y squared over, x squared over x. The degree of the numerator is bigger. Our rule says we have no horizontal asymptote. Horizontal asymptote. Lastly, 0. 0 divided by whatever is 0. So remember that if you had a parabola, your zeros are where you hit the x-axis. You hit the x-axis when y is 0. So we're saying, when is this function equal to 0? If I have nothing, and I share nothing with my 10 closest friends, 0 divided by 10, I've given everybody nothing. So 0 divided by 10 is 0. Here, we're saying, when is x squared minus x minus 6 equal to 0? Let's factor first. X minus 3 times x minus 2 all over x. We don't care about x. We want to know what makes this factor equal to 0. 3 minus 3 would make this 0. So you have 1 0 at x equals 3. 1, 2, 3. This should be a positive 2. Negative 3 times positive 2 gives you a negative 6. Negative 2 plus 2 would make this factor 0. So you also have a 0 at x equals negative 2. Now you plug this into your graphing calculator, and you'll notice that you'll get infinitely close to your horizontal asymptote. You'll go through your 0. Let's make this guy a little bit better looking.